Superintendent of Police ka iska sehilu ba bibek sem mentaka step ka kenai tarik risa wajapsan ulamara hi brand sekretari jaka balap ikmet yap jong Heprit halum rumdong hamaupat habakran ciklat patai kubor USP of petikna ba ka jingyap jong de kena wajak na Nongrah hanin kasi kadai ka Pyniap barki pulit kin pelong ka jing tokit beniak banlap igi badon keti Heprit Christian Ball kalmudai news Snem total wajak klub hanin kasngi na Nongrah kat barang ye kai habar ka plau yang jong ngai metak step lalap ikmet yap yang alum sanyum halau rum nong maupat USP ulang bakidang up ya ke postmortem report halau kene ke jingjia bantip company ya rukom syak Pyniap jong uniu kena.
Is it confirmed yet that 7 years old missing?
Yes, it is a boy of a 7-year-old boy who went missing from Lumbarbo, Nongrah, and all teams are here. CSU, FSL from Longmonsong, Maudiang Liang, SP's office, special cell, all here in the PO. It is a confirmed case of homicide. We will be registering a case and investigating.
Was there any mark in his body that points towards being a murder?
Yes, I said this all indications of it being a homicide. Postmortem will give a clearer picture of the kind of injury. From then on, we will be able to proceed with the investigation.
How do you see it? Is it a coincidence that two missing cases now would found to be dead? Is it a coincidence or whether anything?
Right now I cannot see a connection. It could be an isolated case because the accused of the first case has already been ascertained and identified. But nonetheless, we will actually investigate and find out everything into the matter.
Will the SIT investigate into this also?
We will sit down and this also will warrant the requirement of an SIT because it is a child who has been murdered, and an SIT where many expertise are there, many officers are involved, has always borne fruit. So there's all likelihood of an SIT being formed.
How would you view this incident has created concerns among citizens? How do you view this situation?
See, it is a matter of concern. It pains all of us, and from such incidents we should draw lessons that we should number one, children have to be looked after upon, monitored. Number two is that we should take precautionary measures of having CCTVs, lighting in the area, children loitering around. Somebody should, be it from local stakeholders or anybody, should actually see that a child actually is moving around, inform 112, which is our emergency number, so that we can take necessary action, take them to childline and all that, identify the parents or guardians.
One last question: during your family's function, was the murder committed here only, or the body was done?
We can't say, but by the look of it, I think the body was placed out here only. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Babu.